The relationship do fall apart. I just one of them things in a life. I saw it go.
Morning, everybody. I am starting to believe that I am Miss Kitty's manager. It look like say me manage Miss Kitty. The amount of video of Miss Kitty that you all sending to me. Me I wonder if I'm a Miss Kitty manager. Look like I'm her boss at CVM. Why don't keep on sending all these videos to me? But Miss Kitty, oi, why you know so much ways for tire man? I don't understand. How is it? You have so many different ways of tying a man. How you know all of them ways to tie a man, mama? I never know. But this video that you all keep sending around, this video is a very old video. If I'm not lying, this video was when she did her last Mommy Diary series. That Sunday when she did her last Mommy Diary series. And when she used this video, it cussed me out. So this video was done about 7 months ago. The last video she used, and she said she not chat about me, she not mention me, whatever. That's when she used this video. So why not dig up all of this old video and have it around the round with so much? How is it social media and have nothing to do so? How is it social media bring out so much issues and not have nothing to do so? How? Why not dig up all of this long time video and send it to me and I create one whole heap of a drama? And let me ask you something. So if Miss Kitty divorce, according to that video, yeah, what she did I say? What so what? Is she the first somebody I got divorced? Miss Kitty is from a broken home, you know. Miss Kitty father was never in Miss Kitty's life, you know. Miss Kitty is from a broken home, you know. So I think her mother went through divorce with her father, you know. Because police used to have this attitude where as soon as they join the force or whatever, them abandon them family at home. That was a normal thing for police to abandon them family. Secondly, me divorced and remarried. Chris divorced and me remarried. I tell her already say I used to work with this Nigerian and she said she don't like Jamaican. And I say why? She said because Jamaican divorce too much. She said every Jamaican she know divorce and married 2 and 3 times. So Nigerian no like Jamaican women. So if the marriage no work and she divorced, so what? So if she love him, so because she love him and she well love him. So if she divorce is a taboo. Me I try to understand on a point. Me I try to make some sense out of the nonsense. What is the point? Oh, she love him too much and somebody writer say, oh, never was if her marriage could have mash up. Why? Because she love him? Something is wrong with loving somebody? If you love somebody and they don't love you back, I know your fault, you know. So what's the point? What I say? And more be less. Somebody wrote me and said they see Miss Kitty and her husband at a function last week. And they were very much in love and very much carrying out themselves. So all I know I do, I give Miss Kitty publicity. All I know I do, I make share rank. We don't know whole heap of nonsense. Me drink me oats and mind my business.